We're going to let the 14 car find him a spot on the wall. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Green flag, let's go! Demo Derby, Cowtown Speedway. Green means go! Green means go!
There goes the Mercedes.
Well, we got one that's already smoking, folks. Looks like he made short work of that Hemi. For those of you who drive a Dodge, you might want to reinvest in that one. Looks like that Hemi power is gone. We got a smoker. We got a smoker. Watch out, Rudy. Here he comes. That was a heck of a hit right there, folks. I see about 8 of them still moving. We got a couple dead soldiers, but I see about 8 of them. I got about 8 of them that are still going. The place. We got another smoker. We got 2 more smokers. It's still running though. We got a fire on the number 8 car. Some of those boys gonna be sore in the morning, folks. They're taking some licks out there. That number 30 station wagon, he's doing some damage with that hot rod. That's what the most station wagons are good for. Hit them on the backside, just let them run.
Still going. delivery wagon. He ain't hardly hitting nothing. I hope he don't win. That Ford Escort still doing it. Look at him. He could have hit that other car hard, but he didn't. A Ford Escort. Golly, that little front-wheel drive Oldsmobile's still going.
It looks like we're down to 4 or 5. We got about 4 of them that are still moving.
What is that?
And then there were 2.
Oh no, it's drive shaft broke. Yes! Oh, you wimp.
Oh, we got another one moving, playing possum.
Oh, yeah. That other Chevy Caprice got going. Good. Oh, yeah, number 132 is dead. Please don't start up. That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all give it up for Cowtown Speedway season finale Demolition Derby. Let them hear you, folks.